Okay, guys, so in this meeting, I will show you how to use Coohom construction drawings. And there are mainly 6 contents. I will introduce them one by one. Okay. The first one, I will show you the enters. Okay, I already prepared a project in Coohom. So when we need to get the construct drawings, we need to make sure our floor planner is already finished, design is already finished. And you can move a mouse to here. You can see there's construction drawings. Here is the entrance for the construction drawings. And later I will show you something else. It's also construction drawings, but it's for the custom cabinets. It's a little different. So when we click on this, we will just get inside the construction drawings, and we will see here. Go to the edit views. So in this page, it is the view manager. And of course, here we can do some modification, such as do some like the dimension, do some annotation, do some text, and do some modify for the each views. And we can also generate some other views. Okay, this is the first interest, but in this interest is only for the all the products is like such as the floor, all the floor planner, the floor plans, floor plans, and some elevation. And if we go back to the floor plan, and we try to get in the advanced tool, for example, the kitchen bus, and we can see it will be some different in the left side bar, because for now you can see that left side bar is all about the parametric models. There's the public library, there's enterprise library, and there's personal library. And of course, if we switch to the custom furniture, it's very similar. Then we come back to here. We can check. There will be some other entries for the drawings. One is the drawings of the product. Another one is drawings of the room. If we want to generate the drawings of one product, for example, we want to generate the drawings of woodwork. Maybe there's no woodwork, we can drag in one model. Open this one. Bedroom. Okay, we just maybe we can try this one, this model for this room. Maybe it's a children's room. We put it in this room like here, and we just want to generate the drawings only for this model. So we will use this function, the drawings of the product, because this model is from the custom product, custom furniture. So we need to select the custom furniture to generate. Sorry, can you please keep on mute when you want to talk? You can open your microphone. Okay, thank you. So this model is from the custom furniture. So we select the custom furniture of this joints of the products, this function. Click it. So we come to here, we will see because we select the custom furniture, so we can only see the models from the custom furniture. Okay, so there is a function we can select the furniture or select the part. Sometimes we just want to generate the joints. Maybe this panel, we can use that way to generate the joints of this panel. Maybe only this model like that is a part of the furniture. Okay, when we click on it, you can see in the right side in this list, we can see the name of this model. If we don't need it, we can delete it. And another way is select the furniture. We choose this furniture, the whole furniture. And click here, we will go to the view manager. Okay, there's another way. Another way is, here is how we select the models in this page. We select by click in this way. We select like by the room or by the group relationship, because we will group some models in the floor 2 ways. And there's another way that's select the models by the distance. If their models are very close, they can be selected together to be a group, and they were showing on one view, they will show together. Okay, because there's only one model, we can just choose this one, choose this model, and go to the view manager, click here. With a few seconds, the page will jump to the view manager. In this way, we can generate the joints for only this model. We can see here that that's the name of the floor, and actually it's the name of the model. So in this floor, we can see it for the top view, the structure view. And if there is a door, it should show the door view. And left side, right side, and there's we can also generate the 3D view. Actually, this view is not like the others. This view is only a picture. We cannot do some dimension for this view. We can't. But the others, like the structure view, if we need some if we need to make some dimension for this model, we can get it in this way. Okay, this is another interest for the construction joints, but it's only for a model. And we can see there's another way, joints per room, but this function is still for the cabinets, for the parametric models. So it will generate the joints for one room. For example, this room, the kitchen, for the kitchen, because in the kitchen there are not only one model. It's for, I think this kind of joints, it will be helpful for the workers to install the models. So we can go back to the kitchen. Okay, go back to the kitchen and use this function, joints of room. Select the kitchen bus, click it, Okay, you will see we don't need to choose the model because the floors, you can see the floors will generate automatically. It will generate by per room. In this kitchen, we can see the base joints is only for the base models. Wall models, it only show the models on the wall and some other views. For the elevation. And you can see this in this view, to see view, we go back to the base. This one is that view. And if we need to modify or generate more views, there's way we can put elevation view manually, like this one. This one manually, click it, and this one we can put it inside, like this view, and we can click here to generate the views for that view. Three, click here, generate. It will be here because it's only for the glass doors, the sliding doors of the kitchen. We can see this view, and we can also modify the size. Drag this corner. So only in this box we are showing in the elevation. If we move it outside, it will show in the wall. Go back to this view, the view will be changed. Okay, this is another way we generate the joints by per room, but it's all for the parametric models. So depending on you how you want to generate the views. You want to generate the views for one model. So we can see when we are in the advanced tour, no matter in the kitchen bus or custom furniture, there will be some more entries to generate the construction joints. For the model, for one model, maybe one or a group of model, you select this way. For a room, to generate the drawings for one room or maybe more rooms, you can use this one. Just now we use this way to generate the drawings for this kitchen. And of course, we can also use this way. Use this way for products. Maybe these drawings will be helpful for the manufacturing. Like use this way, because this way we will select the models by maybe this way, choose it. Maybe we need another model, like choose it. So they will be here in the list. And if we want to map them together, like choose this one, press the shift, choose this one, and use this function, group them, they will be together like a group. And we can modify the name, like for example, like the wall window. Wall window is the name of the floor. You can see that. And the next one, we can click the generate the views for only those two models. Okay, we can find out this float wall window and check it, like the structure view only show the structure. Look, we can see the inside structure without the doors, the door view, and show the for now it's showing the the name and the material of the door model and open the direction for this door. Left view. And of course, in this view, there is a function, we can generate the profile. Like maybe sometimes we want to see the inside structure. Use this function to generate, see from this way or see from this way. Okay. Then we can click build the view. Then we confirm. Then later you will see there will be a new view. Confirm. This view is the new view. Then we will see the inside structure. Sometimes if there is maybe a hardware or some inside, like the drawer or something inside, we want to see the structure, we can use this function to generate the portfolio, see the inside structure of the model. But you can see when we are in the this view or in the left side view, we can only see that function, this function, in some views, not all views. In the top view, in the door view, it's showing, but in this view, not showing. Okay. Yes. VSK is asking about whether this function is only works on the Coohom furniture. Is it work on the SketchUp models? Because this function, you know, for now we are in the kitchen, bath, or custom furniture, because here is the models is all parametric models. They are not 3D model. So only the parametric models, we can see the very detailed drawings. If it's a 3D model, we go back to the pub library, find out a 3D model. It will be different because 3D model, we cannot see the very detailed structure, like the inside structure. We put this model 2D. You can try to use this model. This one, put it inside the room, and it's just a 3D model, you know. Okay, put it here, and we get construction joints, and we can see that model from the floor plan. In the furniture plan, this view. So now you can see that model is not showing. I get because of the configuration. Later I will explain the configuration. Why some models is not showing. We can try to get elevation. Manually replace is D. This one is D in the kitchen. Kitchen and this view. So in this view, it's showing the refrigerator, but in the floor is not showing. It's because of the configuration that I will talk later. And because that model is a 3D model, and we cannot get the drawings for this 3D model when we are inside the advanced tour. because that model is not parametric. When we, for example, we want to get drawings of the product, like for the kitchen and the bus, you will see that model is just disappear because that model is not a parametric. Yeah, we can only select the model from the parametric library. Because the parametric models is it was created by very small panels, very detailed panels, but the 3D model is only one part. It's only one part. When it's uploaded, it's on one part. There's no so detailed information for the 3D model. Okay. The next part, after talking about the interest, is we already showing the generate. The generate is click on the function we can generate. One way is the product. Another way is generated by the room. And in the view manager, is for the designers. It's for us to do some customized modification, such as just change the size, hide some model, or change do some annotation for the view. In the view manager, like, because you know, we already generate some views 3 times. One way is to generate the drawings. Wait a second. We generate first we generate the view, the drawings for this model. Then we generate the drawings for this room, and later we generate the drawings for those 2 models in the kitchen. And after generation, they will be there. They will be there in the construction drawings. We can go to it and check it. And here we can switch to OR. We can see those floors. The last one is the third one. This one is for the kitchen. We generate the room, and this one is the model in the children's room. This model. 3 ways we generate the model in 3 ways, and the views, the drawings will always be there. So that means when we generate any model, any views, the view list will always be in the left side. We can go back and check it and do some modify. And the next one is the sheets manager. So after we modify the views, each view is already what we want. So we will go to the sheets manager. There are 2 ways. One way is to click here, drawings layout. Another way is go to the layout. They are the same one. Click here. We will be here in the sheets manager. In the sheets manager is for us to lay out the views. For example, in the kitchen, we generate the views because they are it's the views for one room. So we can see in this frame, there is only one view. We can check children's, because the children's room is only one model, right? It's only one model. So in the children's room, there are 3 views in one frame. And of course, if we need to modify, we can also change the scale to make it smaller, or like change it bigger, or change the size. And if we need more, we can drag and drop in the more views for this sheet. Okay, so we can drag and drop in any view. Actually, all the views we can drag and drop in the frame. Like we can check in the floors because it's modeled from the custom venture. We check in this floor. You can put it inside the view. So actually, it's the room. No, we don't need that one. This view for the children's. So if we need this view, click it and put it inside the view, and the view will automatically snap down another view. There will be a, you can see there's a line like this one. Then we put it inside. And of course, if we need, if there's a rendering, we can also drag and drop in the rendering. And after this, this sheet is finished, then we can download the file, and we choose the one we want. Maybe we want the cover, we want the catalog. So the cover, the catalog, actually we can upload them in advance. And if we need more, we just choose them from this list and choose the format of the file. If we need a PDF, we just choose the PDF. And there's a style of the form of the file. That means because PDF file, it can be color, it also can be black and white, and white. Because you can see from here the annotate the text and the size. And the size is color. It has color, but we can make it inside the black. Here is that, but you can see the default is black. If we need the color, we can choose this one. And if we choose the AutoCAD file, then the color will be different. We can download one and check later. And the last one is the configuration. Last one is the configuration. That I will explain what we can configure for the drawings. Okay, it's finished. We can open this AutoCAD file. Then we will see this view or this sheet, because we choose this one. We can see the color, and it's different because we this is a template for the color, for the layout, for the size of the annotation, and for the size of this kind of text. There is the template. And of course, it can be modified. Okay. So the last one is what we can do, what can be configured for the drawings. The first one, of course, is the line type, the color of the lines, and the filler. So in this view, in this one, we can see the color in the AutoCAD, the color, and all the color can be configured. Of course, if you have this function, depending on whether you have the advanced tool. If you have this function, if you have advanced tool, that means your drawings can be configured. Because without advanced tool, you only have this function. You can get up. Without advanced tool, you only have these construction joints. It's only for the layout of the room, of the house, and showing the 3D model. It will, because we don't, without this function, we cannot lay out the parametric models. With the advanced tool, we can see these functions.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, brother. How you doing?
Yeah. I'm okay.
Thank you for the information. I'm actually like learning quite well, but I have one question regarding kitchen for ceilings. How do we like add them for ceiling?
Do you mean this one?
Yeah, but for ceiling like aluminum one, you know, because like automatically it's becoming white, right? Which is gypsum or something. So I want to add for ceiling, which is waterproof and aluminum, like which is coming like 50 by 50, I think, piece by piece.
You mean the ceiling,
The
right?
ceiling. Yeah, yeah.
Is it like this one? Not right.
Same like this one, but now this one, when you render it, it will show like a 3D or just like a tile.
They are one way is to use this function. There is smart ceiling.
Smart ceiling, okay.
Yeah.
Which is in construction, I think.
It's in the AR templates.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use the smart ceiling and choose the style and the room for the smart ceiling. But if there are also some 3D models for the ceiling in the public library.
Yeah, I know. But what I want to add is actually like for ceiling. If you know for ceiling, I don't know, but like this is aluminum. It's
aluminum.
It's like 60 by 60.
Oh, okay,
you know?
Okay. It's like this, just like this. It's for only. I think it's only for the kitchen and the bus.
Yeah, kitchen or bus. Yes.
Yes.
So can I find that one in the library, or I have to make it in a SketchUp?
You can find it in library, I think. When you are using AI templates, it will generate automatically. But before that, you should choose the name, because you should choose the name. Like this room, you click on the name and change the name to the kitchen. If it's a kitchen, you choose kitchen. If it's a bus room, you choose bus room. The ceiling will generate, when you use the AI template, the ceiling will generate automatically.
Then I will go to the templates and change.
Yeah.
Can you show me if you can, please?
Okay. Okay, you can see this in this room. It's like the ceiling, right? The ceiling is like this.
Yeah.
Okay. We can use this AI template, maybe the whole room or single room. We can try to use the single room.
Okay.
Okay. Then we use maybe like but we need to choose the room, right? This room for the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Then we select the template. When we select the template, we can see from the preview, like a different.
You can see the preview again.
Yeah. Yep.
This is the preview, or this is the template?
This is the preview of the template in a template.
It's not
First,
preview. Okay.
yeah. First, from here, you should choose the right room, right? You cannot apply a kitchen to your living room. So here you choose the room.
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah. Then you choose your template. If you like this one, maybe this one, choose it. You will see there's a ceiling. From this preview, you can see that ceiling, right? Okay. Then you can apply it. The ceiling will be in that room. And this is a very fast way. And another way is use the construction drawing. This one, construction. You can also design a ceiling in that function. We can try use this one, like get in the construction. Yeah, after applying the template, you can see is the models is changed. Yeah, it's the ceiling is okay. You can try to select that room, only this kitchen. You will see the ceiling is like this.
Yeah.
And then we try to use this function. Maybe we can join a new room. Go back to floor. A new room. A new kitchen. Finish your window and then go to only that room. Choose that room, this room. And of course, we need to change the name, right? This is a kitchen, which is change it to kitchen. And yeah, we will design the floor, the wall, and the ceiling. We can check to use the construction to design the room. Choose this one.
Depends what's the requirements.
Yeah, this ceiling editor.
Okay.
Yeah, then you can use here because ceiling we need to make it down about 300. Right?
Extrude.
Yeah, 300 like this. Make it goes down 300. Then we choose then we modify the material on this ceiling like this one. Put it on this. Maybe not that one. I think we can find out the one only for the
Ceiling.
yeah. The size is not the one we want. We can choose another one. Oh, this one, I think this one is okay. We just need to change the material. We just change the material. Yeah, we need to do some modification for like for the gap for the material. This one is the material. Yeah, just to find out the material from the public library.
Okay.
Yeah. Then, I'm not sure.
And the gap in the between, like if I want to make it black,
Yes.
you
Yeah,
can, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Hi, I'm
10 mm, for example.
Yeah. You will see the gap.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. You can choose the color for the gap, or you cannot.
Yes, you can control the color, of course. The color for now you can see is default is this one. You can choose. You can change it.
Yeah.
Yes. The city will be like changed like this one.
Okay.
But yeah, but size is not the right one. The size you can change the right one.
But when I try to render it, like it's gonna give me some reflective view or something like that.
Mm. Then I think you should. The material I choose is not the right one. We would choose the material. You should choose the right material for the ceiling.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks so much, brother.
No problem. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, last one I want to talk about the what can be configured for the construction joints. Okay. Okay, everything you can see from the joints, such as we could go back to the view manager first. Okay, we find out one view. Okay. View. It's a little slow. I think I get stuck. Okay. Okay, we can see the from this furniture size. From this furniture size, what can be configured, like the color of the dimension, the text size, like what will generate the dimension automatically, and what can be shown, what will hide in each view. Everything can be configured. For example, as we see from this view, some models is not showing because of the configuration. Like this, we hide it. We make some settings hide those models in this view. It will hide when we generate the view, and of course the like the 3D model, the color, the filler of those each model can be configured. Yeah, dimension. And another one is if we go to the view of the custom furniture. I think that gets stuck.
Why I'm not?
Gets stuck. I can try check this one. I think my internet is not good. Okay. We can check on the AutoCAD file. As we can see, in this view, there is showing, but this one I think is too big. There is a text. The panel draw front, like the first line is the name of this model, and the second line is the color, is the material, the material name of this model. It can generate automatically. So that means we can let some information showing automatically, such as the name of the model, the material name of the model, the code of the model. So every information, if it's a parametric model, it can show even as long as it's a parametric model, we can let it show the customized information for the model. Okay, and the next one is this one. So we can see when we get these joints, the view, there are three views, right? There are three views because we preset when we get this sheet, there are three views. But we can also set like one sheet, one view, or one sheet, two view, one sheet, three view, one sheet, four view, maybe one sheet, six views, like that. It can be set. So the default will be what we set. How many views in each frame can be configured in advance. And the last one, next one is the name of the file. So we can see the name. The name of this file is download. Okay, I'll try to download it again. So there will be a zip file when we download the joins.
Correct.
When we download the geos, the joins, the name now is in Chinese, but it can be configured. It can be decided by yourself. It can be the name of the project. It can be the name of the designer. It can be the like the name of the float, like this float. Yeah, any information can be the name, but it can that one need that will be a configuration in the backend. So our engineer will do that for you. So you just tell us, we can do the configuration for you. The next one is if you want to hide some models, maybe I think you don't need. So the default one, we will later we will just let them all the models showing default. The default will showing all the models. If you don't want some models showing in the So if you don't want to show you some models in the view, that one can be hide automatically when we get the joins. Hello? Okay. Okay, that's all the configuration what we can do for the drawings. So why we can do the configuration is because we can use this function, because that function, but the function is not open for the users. It's only for our engineer. So we will help you to do the configuration in the backend. And of course, it's free. It's free. When you are using the drawings, and if you feel it's inconvenient, you can let us know. We can do the configuration for you and make the drawings more close to your drawings.
Hello, Bami.
Hello.
Can I check with you regards to this title block? Is it automatically in the program, or we can delete the title block?
Which one?
On the right hand side when you do construction drawing, because it's every time you come out on the right hand side, there on the right, the whole.
Yes, that's a good question. Some views, if you don't want,
I don't want to see the title block. Can it be done?
Which one? Title block.
On the whole title block. That means architect, designers, all these things. Can we hide the thing when we do the presentation, because we need to fill up our own description there? You know, when you just come out of one. Yeah. The title block, the enterprise logo, the general notes, all these things.
This one, right?
Yeah. Can we hide that?
Depending on your version. If you have
enterprise, you can delete, hide it.
If you have advanced tutorial, this one can be changed to your logo, and everything can be configured. This page can be changed.
Correct.
Yeah, it can be changed to yours.
We don't want the title block. Can we use our own title block?
This one?
Just now, you show me the first one.
You mean this?
The catalog. This on, you see on the client address, all these things. On the right hand side, the whole frame.
Okay. Do you mean the
we don't want to see this in our drawings. Can it be hide?
So you can, depending on your version, Coohom version.
Because I need to import this to my own title block, because on every company we have a title block.
Yes. This frame can be
correct.
It can be replaced to yours.
Because it can be hide on your program, because when you download everything, we downloaded everything. See.
Yes. So this frame.
Yes.
You can provide Octave file.
No, I want to hide it. Hide it. No need to come out with my drawings.
This one, right?
The whole thing. The whole line.
Do you mean all this one? Delete just.
Correct.
Okay.
Hide, not delete. Hide.
Hide.
Can it be hide?
Hide the information.
No, hide the information. The whole frame there. When we import, is only import the drawings only to our title block, because we have our own title block. We just need to impose the intent of the content of the things to our title block.
It can be configured, yes.
Can be hide or not? Just question mark.
Yes.
Can be hide. Okay.
It can be hide, but depending on your version.
Yeah, I know. When enterprise, it can be customized.
Yeah. Enterprise version can be yes.
Okay. Other than that, is you can't basically lah. Okay. The other thing. The other thing is basically when you do a project, every project has this construction drawings been generated from AI, right?
Yes.
So that means it's individual project, they will do automatically on the project itself lah. With regards to this, when they come out with the sheet, all these things will come out on the left-hand side lah. They will
That's
generate
right.
for us lah.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, understand.
Just one click, you can generate the drawings.
Okay, normally, how many pages are there in one construction drawings? Depending on my folder.
Depending on the folder. Okay. Depending on whether you have the parametric models. If there's no parametric models, there will be only from here to here.
How many pages?
About do you need this one?
Yeah.
About
Total.
one.
That means one project, how many drawings will be generated from AI?
Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 plus the elevation.
Elevation.
Yeah, 10 plus elevation. Because elevation will depend on the room.
Oh.
If the room is complicated, the elevation will be more.
Because my projects are normally bigger than yours, you see, because in the office, 10,000 square feet, they will generate every floor. That means nearly about 500 pages. Can Coohom accommodate for that?
You mean your floor is very big, right?
Very big, 10,000 square feet.
That's all.
Your one is only room only.
Only a room, right? One room.
Yes. Office.
Oh, okay. Office. If it's office, I think the elevation
also, right?
Do you need the elevation?
Yeah, we need every
Okay. If you need elevation, the elevation will be allowed.
only about 200 pages like that.
Not 200, but
We can extend to that.
Every
I haven't generate construction in my.
Yeah, like every 20 meters, you got elevation every 20 minutes.
100. 10,000 square feet.
Okay.
Quite big, you know.
It was not too many. I guess about
Your
10
maximum.
You mean the maximum of the views, right?
Yeah.
Or no limitation for that.
No limitation, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Because I haven't generated this in my construction drawings. I'm using a pro version. So normally when I do that, I will generate in my AutoCAD to do the elevation. Nearly take me about, I think about 40 pages on elevation, everything. Every room.
Okay.
Because I generate in AutoCAD rather than from your Coohom.
Okay, I got you. So you generate the AutoCAD file and input it to AutoCAD.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Thank you for the information.
Okay. No problem.
Hi, I have one questions.
Okay.
Okay, because you have the construction drawing, everything have a products, kitchen, but from my Coohom, right, is just have a construction drawing. That's it. There's nothing else.
What do you mean?
Wait, I try to send you the photos.
Okay, let me check. You send the chat box?
Yeah, I try to send to chat box.
Okay.
Can you see I sent? Okay.
Did you send a picture?
Yeah, I sent the picture, JPEG file.
Okay.
Can you see it?
I download it first.
Yeah.
Okay,
this is my screenshot because you can see at the right hand side, right? There's a construction drawings and floor plan drawings. But for your toolbox, you have a lot of items. So like how to either is mine is a little is a old version or how to upgrade to newer version.
Do you mean which drawings you should use?
Because you show us, right, when you click the drawings, right, and structure, this you have a lot of lists like construction drawing, product drawing, room, or a lot of items. But for me, when come out, it's just 2 items only.
Oh, okay. You should go inside the advanced tool. Okay, let me show you. So only you are inside the advanced tool, you can get the drawings for the custom products. Like it's here. Okay, I show you in the advanced tool. You go to here and click any one of them, kitchen, bus, or custom venture.
Click where?
Okay, wait a second. Kitchen and bus, maybe custom venture, one of them.
Advanced to at the bottom, right?
Yes, in the automated tool. This one or this one, any one of them, because the kitchen bus is for the parametric models in kitchen bus. Custom furniture, they are all for parametric models. When you get,
Sorry, I can't see the top part. Maybe you can go down a bit. From my screen, I cannot see the top part. What you click.
this one.
Cannot see your arrow.
Okay, do you mean you don't have this function? Let me check. Let me check your picture. Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yeah.
This one.
Okay,
can
I
click-
have.
If the model is from kitchen, you choose this one. If the model is for the custom from the custom such as woodrow, you choose this one.
Okay, so for example, this is a kitchen. Maybe I go to product because kitchen is not a issue. If I click the product, it's a customized product, customized furniture, right?
Okay, you get in the custom furniture. Then you will see in the left side is a public library and the enterprise library and the personal library. Actually, is all about parametric models. Everything you get in the custom furniture or maybe kitchen bus is about the parametric models.
Parametric model.
Parametric, yeah, like this, parametric models. So we just use the parametric models from the library to do the layout in this room.
Yeah.
So now you can see we are in the custom furniture. So when we move the mouse to here, there will be this function and this function. That's only for the parametric models.
Yeah, but I click also don't have like the bunk bed, right? I click my bunk bed. Also, still you have a lot of construction drawing, floor plan drawing, drawings for product, a lot of lists. For me, I just come out construction drawings only.
Okay, I
Yeah,
got you.
only 2 items. I don't have all the lists.
Okay. And I think your account need to do some settings. One setting. Do you have admin account? Are you using your admin account?
I am using Pro account.
Pro.
Yeah.
Okay. So you go back. You can let your admin account and go back to the backend. Let me refresh this page. Go back to the backend, and there is account management. Click here.
I don't have account management.
You should let the admin account use the admin account.
Wow,
Because
so is this the enterprise? Because for me, I use Pro. It's not enterprise.
Oh, it's not. You are not enterprise, right?
Yeah, so it's only enterprise. I can only access.
Yes, it's only for enterprise.
Oh, I see. So for what you
yes.
show me all the lists, the Pro account I cannot access.
Yes, that's why. That's only for enterprise. Sorry for that.
Oh, I see. Okay, can understand.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
No problem. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, if there's anybody else who is using the enterprise account and you don't have this function, you can go back to check using your admin account and check the rule. Only the designer and I think all the rules from the enterprise.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And if you don't have that function, you can also from here you can choose this one, construction joints designer, choosing for your sub account. Then this sub account will have a function.
Oh, I see. Okay, so then now I have no choice. I cannot access the product.
Yes.
Unless I upgrade my version to enterprise. That's it.
Yes. Only the enterprise has. But enterprise has more some other functions, more functions, not only the drawings.
Oh, I see. Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. Yep.
You're welcome. Yeah. I will check some other. I think there are some other questions.
That's it for me.
Oh, it's from you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, you just if you have these two function, when you want to use it, you must get in the advanced tool. When you are not in the advanced tool, you cannot see the function because the function will generate the drawings for the parametric models. Because now this page is not for the parametric models. You can see it's for the 3D models, right? It's for the 3D models. When we get in this function in the kitchen advanced that we're showing the parametric models, then we get the drawings for only for the parametric models. They are in the different level. Yeah. Yeah, but you know, without these two functions, we can only get the drawings for the whole floor, and we can also get the drawings for the elevation, but only we cannot get the drawings for one model or a group of model for the parametric models. Yeah, that's parametric models is in this one. It's in the custom frame to use. Yeah. And if you are enterprise account, you can upload your logo, like there's a cover for the drawings. Every time when you download the file, when you generate the file for in PDF, sometimes you need a cover, you need some notes. So these ones, it can be changed. It can be uploaded, but it's in AutoCAD file. You can send if you are enterprise accounts, you can send to us. We can upload to you the cover, the notes, some other information. Some default information can be uploaded here. Okay. Guys, is there any other questions? Okay. And if you have time, you can please check the chat box. There is a link. And if you have time, you can give me some feedback.
By me,
Yes.
can I check with you? Because your drawings are basically design drawings, not construction drawings. Because I normally when we do give contractors, we do shop drawings. Shop drawings are very detailed. That means a blow up detail. Does Coohom has that provision when you want to do shop drawings, a blow up detail?
You mean the shop drawings is
for instance, we zoom in the detail. Furthermore, that means we enlarge the detail because these are construction drawings.
Okay. Okay, I got you. It's like very detailed information for.
Correct.
Yeah.
Does Coohom provide that provision?
Depending on your model, you design your floor, you design the room first, and if the room is in parametric, if the model is in parametric, then those information can be shown very detailed.
Correct, because on the floor itself, when you do generate from construction drawings, it differs from shop drawings because shop drawings, we need to have a setting out line on the floor finishes. And Coohom provide that shop drawings. That means very detailed. How I set my tiles on the floor.
Oh, like
wall
that.
To wall.
Yes.
Does Coohom provide that? For instance, this The wall tiles, floor tiles.
You know, we can show you all the joints is depending on the model. So
Correct. We do
Yeah.
everything in model in Coohom.
yes,
But
if
when
you
we will
do,
generate construction drawings, we need to have a
Yes.
blow up.
yes, if you do the drawer or some those models in real model and
Yeah.
put it in the right position,
Correct.
and that one will show you.
Correct.
That one can show you in the drawings, and we can also help you to do some comparison to like the color, the color, the text, like the name of that model or like that, it can be showing automatically.
But we particular, basically shop drawings are very particular in terms of dimension, even point 1, point 2 on the setting outline, because your construction drawings are very basic.
Yeah.
So it's a blow up detail, you see. Can
Yeah.
Coohom provide that in the system AI?
You mean like the inside?
No, on the
structure.
floor, for instance, on the floor itself. You see, for instance, on the floor, we have 600 by 600 tiles, right? Then we have a gap of 5 mm.
Yes.
The floor finishes.
Okay.
So every dimension of the tiles are being labeled. When you come to the last point, you
Like-
go on the floor finishes plan.
Floor finishes.
Plan, yeah.
Okay. Such as the gap, right?
Yes, correct. So your setting point is always like that. Can we set on the center or like that? The setting up point?
The configuration can make it showing. By default, it's not showing.
Oh, by default,
can-
it's like that. Like we can't shift.
Yeah. If you want to showing the gap, we can do some configuration in the backend showing the gap.
That
Like
means there's a limitation on your dimensioning lah.
the default is not showing, but we can let it show it.
I understand, because that's why I just wondering how we can set the setting outline on there. Can change it or what lah.
Yes.
By default lah.
Yes.
Okay, understand. Thank you.
No problem. Okay. Yeah, the drawing is from the model and like the model and the material. So depending on whether we build the model, the detail will show you there, like such as the lights. If we build the lights here, it will show you. And we can also showing such as the name of these lights, the code of this light material, like that. It can be shown. Okay. Okay, guys. Is there any other questions? Okay, let me have a very short summary. So if you are not an enterprise account, so when you use the joints, you just click here and not that one. You just click here and you will see the construct joints. And we'll get in the construct joints. We can only see the plan views and elevation views. So it's very easy to use. Very easy, and you can generate some in this one. In the index view, you can generate more like more elevations. That's for the accounts, if not in the enterprise. And if you are an enterprise account, you should go inside the kitchen bus, maybe custom furniture. You get the joints in these two ways for the parametric models, because we get inside the construct joints, we will see the same way, same views in this one. The default is this one, but if we get the joints in this way or this way, we will get more views. We just get more views if we use those two ways. My email or okay. Okay, I think for the construction drawings, you just have a try. Yeah. And because it's not too complicated, you can just try by yourself. And if there's anything not clear, you can ask our CSC. They can support you. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining this meeting. And thank you for time.